Oh my god.
Oh, sorry, man. I'm very sorry.
Do you have brown boots, for example? It's very good model. Oh my god, sorry man. Oh, I have an allergy, sorry.
I can't understand what smell is this.
From whom?
No, you're okay, you're fine, sorry. Do you need any help?
Oh, thank you very much.
Oh my god, what's that? Oh my god, what happened? Are you okay? Dear man, are you okay?
I just sneezed, sorry.
Are you okay? Are you sure?
Oh yeah, I'm okay, yeah.
Oh god, I'm sorry. Oh my god, I'm sneeze on you.
Sorry. Sorry. Oh, what the hell? I just sneezed.
Subscribe to this channel, write a comment below and like this video. See you in the next video. Ciao.